Hello, and thanks for stopping by to see us at Korona. We provide a point-of-sale and event management software for museums across the globe. Our cloud-based subscription service has been developed to offer a comprehensive solution for the entirety of any museum operation, and we work endlessly to bring our museums more powerful features and integrations all the time. Our product evolves with the industry, allowing our clients more seamless scalability and offering the most robust museum management on the market. Now, it's easy to say that, but you're probably wondering what Korona can actually do. So before you start playing around with your free trial or schedule a demo, let me quickly give you a short introduction to the software. First, Korona is designed to be your point of sale for every vertical within your museum. Of course, it powers your online and in-person ticketing system, but it also serves as your solution for all gift shops and QSRs. We've developed the additional software to offer museums a universal system that keeps all products and sales under one umbrella. Instead of having to train team members on different platforms or try to piece together sales reports and inventory analytics, it keeps data consolidated while still allowing in-depth customization for each aspect of your museum. And back to online ticketing quickly. Korona allows you and your guests to manage all reservations and retail merchandise sales from your web shop. Through our event management software and WooCommerce integration, your museum visitors are able to buy annual passes, single-day tickets, special exhibits, show and event tickets, and your entire gift shop retail catalog directly from your website. Better yet, this fully integrated system keeps all of your analytics and reporting features together. All sales and reservations are updated in real time on your cloud-based platform, ensuring more accuracy and efficiency. Every report can also be customized to fit specific needs. Segment your reports by time frame, sales vertical, employee, ticket sales, retail inventory management, and a whole lot more. Altogether, Korona's reporting features offer organizations sharper insight into performance and allow you to make necessary adjustments. Alongside your ticketing and reservation system, Korona can assist with your resource and curator management. You can create custom events in the back end of your system that allocates certain materials like headsets for each reservation. Additionally, real-time calendars can automatically manage your curator and docent schedules for all scheduled tours. This also prevents overbooking and keeps things running smoothly. And once your guests are in your museum doors, a vast array of hardware options keep the process seamless. Korona's software integrates with various desktop and tablet devices for your ticketing agents, but you can also use self-checkout kiosks to keep your lines more manageable. And to ensure secure entry, your ticket scanning system can be set up with turnstiles or automated gates. Individual tickets can be scanned at the general admission entrance, and bar or QR codes can also contain additional information to allow special entry to specific exhibits and shows. Finally, to keep your guests coming back often, Korona allows museums to easily set up promotions, discounts, sell annual memberships, and offer group rates. Again, creating these special events in the back end of the software is easy to do and immediately reflected in the front end. And customer relationship management keeps you in touch with your guests to remind them of special offers or unique event opportunities. Now, Korona has been built to help museums succeed across all levels of business, and our users see changes immediately. Plus, the software doesn't come with any contracts, fees, or surcharges. Your monthly subscription is a simple, flat rate and includes in-house support, making sure that the solution is working for you at all times. But don't take my word for it. Try it out for yourself. It's fast and free to set up a trial account. Your account manager will set up a demo and upload your product data into your system so you can see exactly how it will look at your museum. To get started, say hi to one of our team members in the chat or give us a call at 833-200-0213. We're happy to be here and look forward to learning more about your museum, and thanks for stopping by.